In this video, I will show you how to make a virtual office hour appointment. Here are the navigation steps. Log into Canvas. From the course homepage, click on the link to the online office hours appointment page. Scroll down to find the link to the online office hours appointments calendar. Once the calendar opens in a new window, locate an appointment slot that works best for your schedule. Click on the appointment slot you wish to reserve. In the text box, include your name, which course you are enrolled in, your Los Rios Gmail address, and your preference of Confer Zoom or a Google Hangout. Click Save to reserve your appointment. Within 24 hours, you should receive a confirmation email with a link to the online office hours virtual meeting room. And that's it. Thanks for watching.